Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and log effort on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you are greeted by. From here we can get started using the application, and the first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need a pro subscription to be able to use the ladder application, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you start the application for the first time. So once you've gotten that ready, we can get started going to the team section right here in the bottom right corner and get started choosing the team we want to go and be a part of and whose workouts we want to follow. And once you've done that, we can go back to the workout page from where we can get started doing our workout. So to log your efforts, you are going to use the journal icon, and this is going to be available right here. Once we start the workout, you're going to have the start workout option, and we're going to go and be able to take a look at all the exercises we are doing within the workout. And if you tap on the exercises, as you can see, you can go ahead and take a look at the sets, times needed, and so on, and you have the effort percentage. This is where you can go ahead and input how much effort you've done and how much effort you have inputted into the exercise itself there in the journal, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.